Hi, hi, hi. Namhlanje bezochaza freedom model that I ngiyithathile on this hypothetical trade. As you know, guys, this week in festive week, so there's not much trading lazy like that. Um, you know, movement and stuff. So because of our bank holiday, so I think a lot of people are kind of staying away for now, especially for this week. I wanna so ngizongichazela i-hypothetical trade because angithathanga an actual trade. I just took a hypothetical trade, because today bekuyi-red folder news day. So bekunganama-bank holiday or anything. I think ama-bank holiday aqala kusasa. Zoze from kusasa to this coming Friday, and then next week I think kuzobe kune Monday and Tuesday, and then nakhona the rest of the week will then be e-lent or i-holiday, ama-bank holiday. So athi ngibonise bengisebenzisa i-freedom model yabona. So ngiqala ku-daily bias, mengiceda ukufika ku-daily bias ngabona ukuthi okay, price yenzani iya phezulu, angithi it's going up. So the way ngibone ukuthi iya phezulu is cause besine bullish SMT la, plus ama-candle body close bewavala phezulu above each other yabona. So nakhona ngibonise lokhu ukuthi okay, most likely i-price action izoya phezulu yabona, izinto ezinjalo and stuff. So yeah, mina bengi-expect ukuthi i-price action iye phezulu, and as you can see, I mean, today's candle ayikavali mara yabona ukuthi iya phezulu and stuff. And one of the reasons nakhona ukuthi ngikhethe kanjalo is because ama-body close yabona, body closing above each other shows ukuthi okay, the next day most likely nakhona izo-body close above the other one. So yeah, mangiceda lapha ngaya ku-15 minutes. So this was i-trade, i-hypothetical trade le ngiyithathile was ngo-London session yabona. Ngithi ngifika ku-15 minute bekungana-SMT to the upside because bengi-expect ukuthi i-price yenzeni i-follow like the candle open high, low close, or open low, open low, high close, because bengi-expecta i-higher price action, bullish action. Bengicabanga ukuthi i-London session izo-manipulate lower and then close at the end of the day higher. So it did kind of go low, mara not as low as I expected. That one. So ngiye ku-5 minute because bengana an actual SMT, I think that I was able to catch on the 15 minute. So another thing, guys, isikhathi sibalulekile when it comes to this model. You have to know when you are using this model and make sure that you are sticking to that time. Yeah, one. Today I was a little bit late, so that's why maybe the model also didn't work as well. I wanna so yeah, that's another thing there I have to note. So as you can see, I looked for an entry. I think for on the 5 minute, ngathola i-TCISD, ngamele ukuthi price ifike la ukuthi tap in and then to go lower. But as you can see, price kept on going higher and higher. I wanna so that's also another thing. Yeah, ukuthi you must always be respect the time element nakhona yabona. The i-execution nakhona ibalulekile, but nalento lesikhathi you have to always make sure ukuthi uyayibheka nakhona yabona. You can't just disregard it or uzitshele ukuthi wena uzotrader nje just anytime that you want yabona. So these things izinto lezo ozibonayo